Hey, to set up the custom watch faces on the Redmi Watch 4, like for example in my case, all you have to do is just to grab your smartphone and go straight into the Mi Fitness application. So now let me guide you step by step. So we will actually start from this screen. Let me just enable the permission. Okay, we'll start actually from this screen, from our device. So we have to scroll and go into the Manage Watch Faces. Next, we have to click on the custom one. It's just right here. If you cannot find it, just scroll down and just simply take a look for the custom watch face. Click on it. And now from this, just pick one of the presets. For example, this one. Now, when we scroll down, we can actually add our custom photos by clicking right here. And now we can pick something from your gallery, from your phone storage. So let's say that I want to get, for example, this Apple picture. And I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Then I have to click continue. And I can add the multiple photos. Let's add another one, for example, this one. Click continue. And now that's actually how it looks on the home screen. We have to click apply. Now we have to wait for this installation process. It will actually transfer these photos into our watch, so it will take few seconds. Currently there's this default watch face. That's how it looks. Take a look. There we go. And now it's almost finished. So as you can see from here, we can actually find our custom watch face. So I can click edit and I can change some colors of this watch face. So add some compilations and other stuff. And that's my custom watch face. You can actually do this with every picture that you have. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.